Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Friendship in Islam. Choose honest people to be your friends. There was once a man who loved Imam Hassan very much, so he asked him, "Can I be your friend?" "Yes, of course, we are already friends," answered the Imam. "But I want to be a close friend, not just any friend," the man insisted. The Imam looked at him with kindness and replied, "Being a close friend has certain conditions. My closest friends should have 3 traits. 1. They do not praise me falsely, because I know myself better than anyone. 2. They do not lie to me, because lying is bad. And 3. They do not gossip." The man stayed silent because he knew that he did not meet those conditions, but with hope in his eyes, he told the Imam, "Oh Imam, please give me some time to develop these traits." The Imam smiled and hugged the man. He comforted the man by telling him that they would soon become the best of friends, inshallah, and that his company is always welcome. The man felt ever more inspired to become a better person and try to change his bad habits.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وكونوا مع الصادقين.
Be with the truthful.
Imam Muhammad Baqir has said,
"Beware of making friends with a liar.